Hi, fourth graders. It's Ms. Kovarik, and I'm here with Unit 2A, Lesson 10. We do not have a read aloud today because we are rereading Chapter 6 from Lesson 9. So we're going to do some vocabulary and some grammar review today based on what we've already read in this unit. So the first one uses this quote here: "If you were the child of a king and a queen, or a lord and a lady, you lived a privileged life." What does privileged mean in the sentence above? Number 2, there were frequent wars and uprisings, including rebellions against the king by rival nobles. What does the word rival mean in the sentence above? Number 3, what does the word esteemed mean in the sentence above? However, the most esteemed soldiers were knights. Number 4, if you are meeting someone for the first time, you are blank with them. Number 5, the pizza was cut into 8 slices that were blank sizes. Plug in the correct word. Number 6 asks what curfew means in this sentence. Originally, curfew bells rang to inform those in the taverns that it was time to leave. Number 7, which word means the same as also? Number 8, when I turn 12, my mom will blank me with a house key of my own. Number 9, what does the word devote mean in the sentence above? Monks were men who chose to live apart from society and to devote their lives to the church. And number 10, which word is used to describe the architecture during the Middle Ages? If you need any help with these lessons, be sure to get on Zoom, and I will see you guys with Lesson 11. Bye, Adams.